Okay, Juliana, where are you going today?
Shopping.
No, you're not going for shopping. You're going for...
Fear.
No, no, tell me.
Aarav birthday.
Aarav birthday. And you know they're celebrating both the brothers' birthday together.
So I have something to say.
No, don't show them. We can have
I
some
get
fun.
don't
Don't say. Okay, let's go. We are getting late now, okay?
Wait,
Bye, let's go, guys. Bye.
Gonna try when she left me, yeah, but a little bit inside, you know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna I'm so sick of waiting and getting too used to being this all the time. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come and play on my door. I don't wanna be here without the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aarav. Happy birthday. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray.
Sorry to my leave my coming. Are you some parents coming to some boys come together?
ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਤਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਓਏ ਫੋਟੋ
Okay, I'm gonna come back a bit so I can take everyone's photo.